Carter CT12BU mini excavator. Machine weight 1,200 kilograms. Digging depth 1.83 meters. Meet CE certificate, TOPS and ROPS certificate, UKCA certificate, noise emission certificate. Equipped with Yanmar engine. Meet Euro 5 or EPA 4 emission requirements. Sufficient power, low noise. CT12BU mini excavator adopts tailless design with retractable chassis and swing boom, can easily enter the elevator, tunnel, indoor and other narrow areas of construction. Widely used in vegetable greenhouses, farms, landscaping, interior decoration, and other agricultural, municipal, construction, and other fields.